Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix airplane mode stuck on or off. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that your airplane mode has been stuck on or when you're trying to on it or off it, so let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply go to services.msc in your run command. Just press Windows plus R to open run command and there just search for services.msc. Then press OK. So you might see a this type interface. You just have to scroll down and look for radio power service. Here's a radio management service. Just click on this, then right click on this and then select restart. So once it has been restarted, it will fix your issue. So after restarting your radio management service, I recommend you have to try to make a first restart with your device. So just click on this start button, then click on this power icon and then click on restart. And after that your PC will be restarted. After restart you will not get any kind of issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.